Hi there. If you love puzzles as much as we do, you are going to love this beautiful botanical garden. As you can see, the colors are going to be nice and vibrant. It is 1,000 pieces. It comes in this here. We're all sealed up, so all your pieces are in here. And then it comes with this nice big poster to set up so you have more than just the box to look at. And then it gives you some helpful hints down at the bottom. Use the poster, work in small sections, organize your pieces by colors. And this, like I said, if you love puzzles, we cannot wait to get our hands on this one and get it started. We are a huge puzzle family and we are excited to try this one out.